Do you want to earn money 24 hours a day? That means even while sleeping. You've probably guessed it from the title. Let's talk about 5 passive income sources and how you can earn an extra $500 a day or even more. And no matter where you are in your life, you will be able to take advantage and some tips and tricks away that apply to you. And you can use them to make more money passively and change your life. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel, Let's Talk Success. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you too can know the secrets to success and boost your confidence towards achieving your goals with every new video we upload. Make sure to watch till the end as we reveal our most favorite source of income among these top 5. What is passive income now? Right off the bat, we can tell you one thing. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You cannot earn a ton of money by doing nothing at all. Now, your teachers, parents, or even relatives tell you to go to university to get the best jobs you can. But the downside to that is that you have the same 24 hours a day. So if you truly want to be rich, you need to find a way to make money while others are asleep. Imagine if you spend a couple of days working, but you get paid for that work forever, even when you're asleep. If you want a day off or you don't feel like working, then it really isn't a problem. Because with passive income, the money is still flowing in. That's what passive income is. It's still a lot of work, but so is working a day job. Passive income just keeps paying you. The real aim is to have as many different passive income streams as possible, so eventually they can all cover your living expenses. Any extra that you can make, you can reinvest. The dream is to invest the money you earn by working and live off the money that comes in passively. You then are able to retire early if you choose to do so. So let's get started with the top 5 ideas. Idea number 5, sell products online. Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, has become one of the most popular ways to earn income online. In fact, there are over 2 million people selling on Amazon worldwide. You sell it, Amazon ships it. The way it works is, you send your product to Amazon or source them from Amazon suppliers. They store them in their warehouses. When a customer orders one of your products, Amazon picks, packs, ships, and tracks the order for you. They also handle returns and refunds. If you want us to make a detailed video, make sure to comment down below. Dropshipping is also a good idea that does not require a business to keep products in stock. Instead, the store sells the products and passes on the sales order to a third-party supplier, who then ships the order to the customer. There are lots of other ways to sell products online as a side hustle or business like eBay, Etsy, doing print on demand. We would love to talk in depth about these topics, so if you want us to make a more detailed video on how things work and how people are making millions using these ideas, make sure to comment down below. Idea number 4, invest in real estate. Real estate has always been a great investment opportunity for investors. In our opinion, real estate can be the safest and best way to achieve financial freedom. However, buying properties has been out of bounds to most individuals as it involves a huge amount of money. But that should not make you run for the hills, as there are so many different ways that you can make passive income from real estate without even buying a property. Real estate crowdfunding is a way of investing where a pool of individuals contribute a small amount of capital towards a specific real estate deal. When a sponsor identifies a real estate opportunity, he usually doesn't have the capital to execute the project himself. So they allow individuals to contribute to the capital to execute the project, where you guys step in. Idea number 3, dividend income investing from the stock market. What exactly is a dividend? And how can you get involved with very little money and start earning some sweet passive income? So when you invest in the stock market, you're buying very small parts of companies called shares. These provide companies with money so that they can use it in their business to move things forward and hit their targets. So you're really valuable to them. Without shareholders, public businesses can't operate. So a dividend is kind of like a reward a company gives you for being a shareholder in their business. Now, not all companies pay a dividend. It is completely up to the board of directors. But if they want a dividend and they pay themselves, it means they have to pay you. This money is paid out in cash on a monthly, quarterly, or even a yearly basis. This is great and all, but how do you actually get involved? Imagine Lucas owned a business that sold, and he was looking for a shareholder, and he came to you and said, "Look, I need some money to fund my business. Would you like to be a shareholder? All you gotta do is put $1 into the business, and then Lucas will give you 4 cents back every year." I know that sounds quite a small amount, but over time, that could build up, especially with a few different investments. Idea number 2, sell digital products online. Just think about some of the top companies. Airbnb has no real estate. Facebook creates no content, and Netflix isn't even a TV channel. The internet has truly changed the game. If you don't have a lot of money, but you have a lot of time, you can create a theme page on Instagram, for example, and then sell that for a profit to whoever wants to buy it. The most important thing to remember is your most valuable possession is locked away in your brain. We are talking about your knowledge. Your knowledge is something that can be packaged into some kind of online product and sell that many times over. We are talking about online courses, ebooks, anything that takes a little bit of time to create but allows you to sell your knowledge over and over again. Idea number 1, start a YouTube channel. Yep, you guessed it right. This one is our favorite idea. People enjoy watching YouTube. Sometimes they spend 5 to 6 hours just on the platform, like some of you may be doing right now. Why not take this simple fact and use it to your own advantage? You can make videos helping people to grow their wealth, just like we are doing for you guys. And an added benefit is that you can put ads on the video, use affiliate marketing links to cover your production costs, which will allow you to make better quality videos. This is something anyone can do with just an iPhone and some basic YouTube knowledge, which can also be found for free. The most important thing is that the video content is always relevant and it never goes out of date. So once you've made the video, you could be making passive income forever. If you want to learn how you can earn making videos without showing your face, comment down below. These ideas had a dramatic impact on many people's lives and businesses. Just start to be more open to online opportunities and see the wonders they bring to your life. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and ring that notification bell so you can grow your wealth. See you in the next video. Take care.